this guide, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice isolation to fix your iPhone calls quality. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up the phone app and start a call. You can call someone else or dial your own number to test it. In this case, I'm just going to dial my own number. It'll look something like this once you dial this, and while you're on the call, what you need to do is just swipe down from the top right corner to open up the control center, and you're going to see the phone controls up at the very top. Simply go ahead and tap it. It's then going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Under audio and visual, which should automatically put you on this, select voice isolation, and this will reduce the background noise and focus more on your voice during phone calls. As soon as you turn it on, your phone should keep using voice isolation for future phone calls. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.